What's up, guys? Day 2 of pressure washing. We're about to go door to door, get a whole bunch of sales, and make a whole bunch of money. Okay, so we just got our first sale.
I can't be on my phone, man. That's illegal.
So, okay, we just got done with our first job. Had a few hiccups. It took us a little longer than it needed, but made it my first 100. Had my first 100.
Business is successful.
Yes, sir. Escaping the Matrix.
No, I can't be in the.
I forgot.
What if you just keep that in there and just be like,
Yeah, you're gonna have
like
to
a little.
do the leap over it.
Yeah, dude.
put it
Fuck.
over his mouth?
Dude, you're gonna have to bleep me out. I freaking forgot. I forgot. My bad.